lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're doing another Stylevana haul. So if you want to see what I've got there, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're doing another beauty haul, Korean beauty haul from Stylevana. So if you are new to Stylevana, this is like Korean website, Korean beauty products, authentic Korean beauty products. So if you want to try Korean skincare, go and check it out. I have also my 10% off. So all the info, all the link will be in the description box below. And also, lovelies, all the products that I will mention today, I will link down below. So yes, let's see. The product is inside in this massive bubble wrap, so they wrap properly. And then the shipping fee, as I said, lovelies, if the products are available, they always like came less than a week to me, like 5 working days minimum. So yes, the delivery is really quick, so I always recommend Stylevana. They always do a deal, discount on the product. So yes, so the first product we have here, and this is from Some by Me. This is the Vitan Hyal Lip Sun Protector. It has 7 ml, and this is a must at the moment. Lovely sunny outside, we need sun protection. We always need protection all over the year, but at the moment we need more protection. So it does look like this inside. It has this kind of applicator. I have my lip balm on, and as I said, I don't wear makeup at the moment. It's hot outside, and on my day off, I never wear makeup. It's only sun cream, lip balm, or tinted lip gloss, or tinted lip balm. So yes. And this one, lovelies, let's see, it's retail for £7.39, and here it says, don't forget your lips when it comes to sun protection. Fitted with SPF 15, this sunscreen enhanced lip balm keeps your lips protected and nourished thanks to a mix of vitamins, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and olive oil. The lip balm offers soothing hydration to crack and irritate lip. I tried few products from this brand, and they are really good. So, but I never tried this one here. So this one, lovelies, for full price, it's retail for £9.91, but on Stylevana website, it's retail for £7.39. And another product from Some by Me, we have this one, the Vitan Hyal Antioxidant Sunscreen SPF 50+, PA+++. And let's see inside. And every product, lovelies, are sealed, so it take me like forever to open them. I love the packaging. Ooh. Okay, so it does look like this, and the applicator is quite weird. So this one, lovelies, it has 40 grams, and the full price is retail for £19.41, but in Stylevana website it's retail for £14.49, so you save like 25% off. And here it says, this sensitive skin-friendly sunscreen is packed with full 10 times of vitamin and hyaluronic acid to nourish and replenish moisture while offering SPF 50+, PA+++ sun protection. The antioxidant-rich sunscreen provides skin brightening and soothing effects. This is the second item we have here. And then the next one we have, this brand is new to me, and this is from Jin Jung Sung Hybrid Face and Eye Cream. So it's all in one. So it does look like this outside, and inside it does look like this. It doesn't smell of anything, to be honest. As I said, I never heard from this brand before. And this one, lovelies, in Stylevana website, the full price it's £14.61, but In Stylevana website, it costs £12.19, and this one it says Jinjun Sung Hybrid Face and Eye Cream hydrates, nourishes and soothes your skin with 4 ceramides, 8 kind of hyaluronic acid, 7 peptides, Centella asiatica, and 7 natural extracts that helps keep the skin healthy and beautiful. This is a skincare product that helps moisturize and nourish the skin without stickiness. Wow, it sounds really nice. So yeah, I will try this one and we'll see. And then the next one we have is from Haru Haru Wonder, the Black Rice Moisture Airy Fits Daily Sun Cream SPF 50+, PA+++. This is unscented one, and it says non-greasy velvet finish. It has 50 ml, and I tried few products from this brand and they are really good. It does do on my skin. I don't even wear anything, it's just the sun cream and I'm good to go. This one, it does look like this inside. This one full price, it's retail for £17.87, but it's discounted in Stylevana website, and it's retail for £9.89, which is not bad because, as we know, Korean brands are quite expensive, but they really work. And so it's like 44% or 45% off at the moment. And this one, it says, let's see, it says what it says here. It says, seeking a gentle yet powerful sun care solution, look no farther than Haru Haru Wonder Sunscreen, fitted with SPF 50+, PA+++ to fend off UV rays while boosting a lightweight formula infused with black rice extract for extra hydration. The products blend out easily without leaving any sticky residue. This is a lightweight chemical sunscreen that protects your skin from sun damage. It says hydrating formula infused with the Haru Haru Wonder iconic ingredient black rice oil and extract that moisturize skin and provide antioxidant benefits. But also it's enriched with ceramide, NP, heart leaf extract, adenosine, and niacinamide to provide extra skin relieving, pumping, and brightening benefits. So the next product we have here, and this is I think from Nambuzin, number 6 Deep Sleep Mask Serum, a hydrating serum with moisture and elasticity that boosts your skin condition if you are using a sheet mask. I always treat myself once a week for a sheet mask, but yeah, sometimes I'm lazy. But yeah, it does look like this inside. It's in glass, very fancy. So this one full price, lovelies, it's retail for £22.74, but on Stylevana website at the moment it's retail for £13.09. And here it says that this one coming in a serum-like texture and designed to be used as an overnight mask. Nambuzin number 6 Deep Sleep Mask Serum restore radiance to luster skin with a formula in a high concentration of glacier water. Wake up to that covet glow by applying 2 or 3 pumps on the face before sleep. So this one offers an intensive moisturizing and firming effects of mask sheets to treat extremely dry, flaky, dull skin, improve the skin condition overnight to ensure a revitalized complexion for the next morning, and hydrate the skin from the inside out with glacier water instead of purified water. Restore radiance and firmness of the skin at once. It is highly concentrated watery texture, forms a moisture barrier on the skin and leaves a non-sticky finish. So it does sounds really nice. So yes, can't wait to try this. And then the next I have here, it's the same brand, but this is the toner, the Super Glowing Essence. Use of the essence, lovelies, I found for me it's very important. I usually use them. So first I use toner, well, a cleanser, I wash my face, and then after I dry it, I use a toner, and then I use an essence, and then serum and the moisturizer, because I found that when I applied essence before serum, I feel like it does really absorb properly, and I found it very moisturizing one. So for me, I found the essence a very important step on my morning skincare. So yes, so this is the numbers. It says a fermentation essence toner containing 50 fermented ingredients that fills the face with luxurious gloss. This one, it has 200 ml, so it's a full size. It's in plastic, a very fancy one, as you can see. So in the Stylevana website, this product, it's the full price, it's £18.68, but at the moment it's retail for £9.99, bargain. And for me, lovely, toner is very important too. I usually apply toner in the morning and before bed because I feel like toner gives that clean on my skin. This is a glowing, and it says formulated with 50 types of fermented ingredients to brighten and firm up dull, tired skin. This powerful toner preps and hydrates skin while coming with all the nourishing benefits of an essence. Revitalizing formula further reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Come as part of a number series of toners providing target care for a specific skin concern such as roughness and dryness. Sounds really nice. And then the next one I have here, and this is from Centella, Madagascar. I think I have this one too last month. And yeah, it does look like this. It says brightening and anti-wrinkle functional cosmetic, skin irritation test completed. This prebiotic intensive and pure infused with fermented Centella asiatica from Madagascar and ceramides help improve skin elasticity and strengthen the skin barrier to make the skin firm and rejuvenated. And the last product we have here, lovely packaging, and it says Reprost Essential Blemish Recovery Balm from Frudia. I heard this brand. I tried their like a cream one. They are really cute, like a cute tiny fruit cream. And this one, it's retail for, the full price is £14.62, but on the Stylevana website it's retail for £10.49. It has a SPF 50 plus PA+++. This one is a BB cream that blocks UV. Sounds really nice. Contains Centella asiatica extract to calm sensitive skin. So this is great for sensitive skin, oily skin, but also with acne problematic skin. Absorb 1,000 times more water with water holding formula to retain hydration for a long time. So yeah, sounds really good. And let's see inside here. So you can see, lovely, they are sealed every item, which is good, but as I said, it's taking me like forever to open them. So it does look like this inside. It has the seal, so I just leave it. I'm using at the moment my lovely Innisfree that I got in Stylevana too. As you can see, it's almost empty, and I love this product. It's very lightweight, very watery one, so it's very hydrating. It's not sticky, it doesn't have that thick consistency. It's really a watery consistency, and I love this product, and I'm almost finished it, but I'm looking forward to try another SPF. So yes, that's all, lovelies, for my unboxing Stylevana haul. And you lovelies, what do you think of this product, lovelies? Have you tried any of this product? Are you thinking purchase product from Stylevana? Just let me know in the comment below. And as always, lovelies, I have my 10% off. I will pop in the description box below, but also the link of Stylevana website and the link of all the products that I mentioned today, I will pop on the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing beauty haul, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.